COPD. It consists of three chronic pulmonary diseases: chronic bronchitis, emphysema, and asthma. So, when there is irritation for a prolonged time of the epithelial lining of the airways, that produces inflammation, destruction of the epithelial cells, and the mucus production is excessive, which produces obstruction in the passage of the air. There is plugging of the and nerving of the lumen of the airways. Second part of the COPD is there is destruction and decrease in the elasticity of the alveoli, the inner lining of the air sacs, which are meant for exchange of the gases, that is inhalation and exhalation, due to which there is exit of carbon dioxide from the blood outside the body and the absorption of the fresh oxygen through the capillaries located in the walls of the alveoli. So this vital process of gaseous exchange is disturbed, disrupted, and decreased due to damage to the inner lining of the alveoli. So there is hypoxemia, that is oxygen saturation in the arterial blood is decreased, and there is increase in the carbon dioxide in the blood, hypercapnia. COPD usually happens after the age of 40 years, and mostly the cause of this COPD is tobacco smoking. The smoke of tobacco consists of certain chemicals, numerous and thousands of chemicals, which damage the epithelium lining of the airways and the inner lining of the air sacs, due to which there is narrowing of the airway and the destruction of the elasticity and the functioning of the air sacs. So this is the pathogenesis due to which COPD is produced. That is the main factor, and the cause is tobacco smoking. Second is air pollution, that is dust, fumes, and the factory chemicals, that is asbestos, nickel, and certain other chemicals which are polluting or included in the air of the atmosphere, which damage to the normal respiration of the inhabitant, that is the person working in the locality or the living around that factories. Third is the genetic factor, that is deficiency of alpha-1 antitrypsin protein. This is due to genetic genes that the production of the alpha 1 antitrypsin is decreased by the liver, and this protein protect the inner lining of the alveoli. That is, this is essential for the functioning and health of the alveoli tissue. That is a vital inner layer which is consisting of capillaries that absorb the fresh oxygen, and there is exit of the carbon dioxide. So this is the etiology of the COPD mainly. So these three factors, they are included in the cause of the COPD. Mostly it is disease of the men, but it is also existing in the female group, especially those who are fond of smoking. Now next is the symptoms of the COPD.